The 2023 Mercedes-AMG SL 63 marks a revolution in design, performance, and technology for the iconic roadster. The model boasts a redefined exterior, featuring the signature AMG grille, LED high-performance headlights, and an elongated hood. Classic SL proportions are visible in the car's body design, including a long wheelbase, short overhangs, and a passenger compartment set back with a steeply raked windshield, contributing to its powerful and dynamic appearance. The vehicle is also equipped with large alloy wheels and offers optional 20 and 21-inch aerodynamically optimized alloy wheels with aero rings for added sophistication. Under the hood lies an impressive V8 biturbo engine, delivering exceptional power and performance. The car's active aerodynamics feature the AIRPANEL active air control system, which intelligently opens and closes louvers to control air resistance and ensure optimal cooling. Another highlight is the retractable rear spoiler that seamlessly integrates into the deck lid, altering its position according to driving status for optimized handling stability or reduced drag. The SL63 offers a lighter and more streamlined soft top compared to its predecessors, which positively affects driving dynamics and handling. The electric soft top employs a Z-fold design, saving space and weight while maintaining a high degree of everyday usability and noise comfort. The opening and closing process is swift and can be conducted at speeds up to 37 miles per hour, using the switch panel in the center console or the central multimedia touchscreen. Inside the cabin, a hyper-analog cockpit fuses analog geometry with the digital world. The interior design features a fully digital instrument cluster integrated into a 3D visor and a high-resolution 12.3-inch LCD screen. The infotainment system boasts the latest generation Mercedes-Benz user experience, known for its intuitive operation and ability to learn. The luxurious seats are electrically adjustable, heated, and cooled, and come standard in Nappa leather. The SL63 comes with an innovative chassis that includes a multi-link front axle and employs lightweight construction measures for improved performance. The AMG suspension is standard and an optional AMG ride. Control suspension with aluminum shock absorbers and lightweight coil springs is available. All suspension links, steering knuckles, and wheel carriers are made of forged aluminum to reduce unsprung weight. This results in exceptional lateral dynamics, driving stability, and responsive handling. The 2023 Mercedes-AMG SL 63 is the epitome of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. From its powerful V8 biturbo engine to its active aerodynamics, refined interior, and state-of-the-art suspension system, this vehicle is poised to offer an unmatched driving experience for those seeking a blend of power, elegance, and innovation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.